Hey nature lovers, today we're making our own natural toothpaste that has way more benefits than anything you'll find that's store-bought and zero toxic ingredients. I almost bought a product similar to what I'm gonna make until I realized it's so much cheaper and easier to just do it myself. So we're gonna need some measuring cups and spoons, coconut oil, peppermint essential oil, cinnamon, baking soda, and bentonite clay. For this recipe, I'm using 1/4 cup baking soda. And yes, I'm using Arm & Hammer. Somebody always got something to say. If you don't like this one, just use the one you prefer. Not everybody has access to the most pure and organic ingredients all the time, and that's okay. Now we are going to add 1/4 cup of our bentonite clay powder. And this is food grade bentonite clay powder that I found on Amazon, which I will leave a link in the description. And this is actually for internal and external use, so you want to make sure you get the right one. By the way, you want to take some precaution when using bentonite clay because it can react negatively when using some plastics or metals. I believe glass is best, especially when storing. Ceramic or wood are also better choices. This is also my first time making this recipe, so let me know in the comments if you guys have any extra tips or tricks. Like, I will never claim to know everything. I'm on this journey right along with y'all and definitely still learning. Right now, I am mixing in the dry ingredients really good. The bentonite clay powder helps to remove plaque and stains. It's detoxifying because it binds to toxins and impurities and contains healthy minerals for our teeth. Baking soda is whitening and fights bad breath. It is also pH balancing, which reduces decay. Next, we'll add 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is antibacterial, reduces plaque, promotes gum health, and fresh breath. It's also better to use melted coconut oil to help get everything mixed in evenly. Our goal is to get it a nice, smooth consistency. This is where we're at so far, and I'm just gonna mix everything together. And it's coming along, so far so good. We are gonna be adding a few extra ingredients, but this is actually a toothpaste right here. If you wanted to stop right here and use these 3 ingredients, coconut oil, baking soda, and the bentonite clay, you can definitely do so because this is already a powerful natural toothpaste alternative. Quick disclaimer, obviously I am not a professional oral health care specialist. I fully believe in these natural alternatives, but just do your own research. Next, we're gonna go in with a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, which is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, freshens breath, and adds in a little extra flavor. I don't know about y'all, but I love cinnamon. Like, I will literally use or eat anything cinnamon. Lastly, we will be adding 15 to 20 drops of peppermint essential oil, which we already know freshens breath. It's also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It can soothe gum irritation and has its aromatherapy benefits because the scent promotes relaxation and reduces stress. This is my first time making this, and I'm really liking how it's coming out so far. The consistency is nice and smooth, and it's just giving me a lot of hope because I'm sorry, I'm not paying nobody $20, $15 for a small container of this stuff. I literally had all of these ingredients at home already except for the bentonite clay. That is the only thing that I had to purchase, and it was only $12 something on Amazon. And I know it's gonna last me a long time because I didn't even need to use that much. So yeah, for everybody that's hesitant to make their own products because it just seems too complex and extra, it's really not. This probably took me 10 minutes to make. And like I said, these are basic household ingredients. We have no excuse to go to a store, spend money on products that usually have ingredients that are hurting us, made by people who profit off of our ignorance and our obsession with convenience. So, anyways, I went to the Dollar Tree because I needed a new toothbrush, and I found this eco-friendly charcoal-infused bamboo toothbrush. I see them there all the time, and I finally just got one because I really wanted to try it. The bristles are charcoal-infused and ultra soft. It says it's made by Brush Buddies. And then we got some more information on the back. Charcoal-infused bristles. Ultra soft bristles infused with activated charcoal that removes stains to help whiten teeth. The handle is made of bamboo. Okay, here we go. I'm trying this for the first time and I know I'm gonna love it. I'm just gonna apply it using a cosmetic spatula. Instead of just dipping my toothbrush straight in the container, this just seems a little bit more sanitary to me. Even though I do see a lot of people just dipping their toothbrush right into the mix. I wasn't sure exactly how much to use on the toothbrush, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Maybe I could have used a little bit more, I don't know. Just gonna wet it a little bit. Now let's see what it's gonna do. It has such a sticky and thick texture at first, and then it slowly starts to soften. The taste is not bad at all. Like, it's not sweet like traditional store-bought toothpaste, and it doesn't need to be for me. To me personally, that kind of feels like a contradiction because sweetness is associated with sugar, which is associated with tooth decay. There are some natural sweeteners I believe that you can add, but I'm good on that because it's really not about the taste. All I care about is knowing that it works and that my teeth and gums are healthy. I give this recipe a 10 out of 10. Make sure you avoid spitting this toothpaste in the sink because it can cause clogging. And subscribe because I'll be back with updates on how it's working.